that I failed to what?
You failed to stop at a designated point?
Which
here,
was the stop sign
right
on
here.
my first exit?
No. Right here on your last exit. And then when you got off the highway, you failed to signal at the required distance, which is 100 feet. Does that make sense?
I'm not going to answer any questions because I already know that I stopped.
Welcome back, folks. This video is titled What's Under Your Hood, Bro? It was uploaded by Randall Ruel on September 20th, 2022. And this traffic stop happened in Dilley, Texas. The troopers in this video is Trooper Estrada, badge number 16031, and Trooper Salinas 15965. Watch the interaction. We'll talk a little bit about it at the end. Make sure you guys go subscribe to his channel and let him know I sent you. Let's get right to the video.
Okay. So you're not understanding what I'm saying. You failed to signal at the required distance.
Yeah,
I'm not saying you didn't stop. I'm saying you stopped, but you failed to signal at the required distance. Does that make sense?
Yeah, no, I'm going to say that I signaled.
Okay.
Totally. Yep.
Do you believe you signal at 100 feet?
I'm going to go ahead and just keep my mouth shut.
Tell your mother-in-law to shut up. Be a man.
I'm going to go ahead and just keep my mouth shut.
If somebody sneezes, never say God bless you. Tell them to shut the fuck up. Be a man.
I'm going to go ahead and just keep my mouth shut.
Okay.
I signaled.
Do you have your driver license?
It's in my other vehicle.
Okay, do you have your driver license number?
26. Your name and badge number?
It's going to be Estrada, sir. 16031.
Okay. So you pulled me over for failing to signal before
So to signal at the required
distance.
Yes,
distance. So
yes,
when I was under that bridge.
No. You're not understanding, sir. When you got off the bridge. Does that make sense? You saw that stop sign? I'm not saying you didn't stop.
So I exited right here and then took a left at the stop sign.
And you didn't
went under the bridge.
Sir,
and had a left turn signal.
When you took the exit, correct? You remember when you took the exit and you came on the stop sign pointing south? As soon as you hit the stop sign, you hit your blinker. You failed to signal the required distance. That's the first violation.
Okay, so do you have that on camera?
Yes,
or
sir.
were y'all just
No, we do have that on camera.
Okay.
Our camera records 2 minutes prior from us turning on the light, so clearly we do have it on camera, sir.
Okay.
So can you hand this gentleman your driver's license and your proof of insurance, please?
I just gave it to him.
Okay, do you have the proof of insurance?
Yeah, it's actually, I have it on email. It's Progressive, but I have it on my app. I don't think I have paperwork.
That's fine, sir.
If you don't have it with you, we'll go ahead and verify it in our system. It's fine.
Yeah. Okay.
Give me 1 second, all right, sir?
Yep. What's your name and badge number?
Trooper Salinas, badge number 15965, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, sir. I'm going to run your DL, sir. It's going to be a simple warning for fail to signal at the required distance, which is 100 feet. And it's going to be a warning for fail to stop at a designated point at a stop sign.
Okay.
Okay? And it's also going to be a warning. If everything comes back to, and it's your driver license,
yep,
there's going to be a warning for failure to display your driver license.
Okay.
Do you understand, sir?
I'm understanding.
Okay. And then what's your date of birth, sir?
RUEL.
All right, sir. As long as your insurance comes back clear and you have insurance, everything's going to be okay. All right, sir? I'll be back. Stay put.
Failure to signal before a certain amount of distance. Okay.
All right, Mr. Ruel. Sir, like I mentioned to you, it's just going to be a warning for fail to display your driver license, which you gave me your driver license number. It's going to be a warning for fail to stop at a designated point at the stop sign right here under the underpass. And it's going to be a fail to signal the required distance, which is 100 feet before turning. Okay? If you sign right there, sir, it won't affect the driving record, and it won't, and there's no fines or fees.
All right.
Can you just make sure all your information is correct, sir? Before signing?
Ruel 5702.
Is this one the 5.0 or is it the 4.6?
So I'll tell you.
I mean, I was a Mustang. My first car was a 1987 Mustang GT. That's what I'm asking. I've always been a Mustang, but you know how they made the, you know how they changed the years and they made the 4.6 and then the 5.0 right away.
If I tell you, I'd rather just show you.
It's up to you, sir. You want to show me? You can go ahead.
Yeah.
But here, sir, let's end the traffic stop.
Yeah.
Sir, this is your copy.
Yeah.
You can go ahead and step out, sir.
All right, guys, I'm going to read to you what some of the comments said on the original channel. Thad Repairs It All says, the 100-foot rule does not apply to stop signs to the best of my knowledge, but it does for changing lanes or if there is no stop sign. Tom H responds with, it does apply to turning at stop signs. Signal 100 feet before the stop, then make the turn. This allows others to know you're turning in case they're making a non-conflicting action. Laughing at You goes on to say, as a retired cop, I'll tell you that failing to signal as per the officer's explanation is a chicken shit reason to stop anybody. Reasons like this are used as a fishing expedition, hence the warnings only. However, it is cheesy and makes cops look bad. I could sit on any multi-laned highway in the country and get writer's cramp issuing legitimate citations without resorting to foolishness. And I gotta tell you guys, I actually agree with this retired cop. You know, I do believe that many infractions out there are written in the books just to get more money for the state. This, in my opinion, is a perfect explanation of an officer who does not want to give tickets just because he can. And for all you officers that are watching my channel right now, you should take some notes. One of the things that I personally want to point out in this video is the fact that it's extremely important not to answer police officers' questions. This guy did not incriminate himself with his own mouth, and that's why I truly believe he got the warnings and not the tickets. Absolutely do not agree with the police officers when they're asking you questions. Don't nod your head, don't say yep, none of that stuff. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit the bell because you will learn from this. And also make sure you subscribe to Randall Ruel. Let him know I sent you. I'll see you guys over there. Have yourselves a blessed day.
San Joaquin, we on the CopWatch. Gotta stay outside cause the block's hot. Instigators is what they call us, but they all haters. I'ma record you now and not wait for later.
I ain't messing with no cops. They something like a op. All these killings in my city. Tell me when will it stop? For the back at the block, I'm really on this paper chase. The Johnnies gon' hate when they see you in that white race. Swear to God we ain't equal. They say Black Lives Matter, they ain't fighting for my people. The black and white's lethal, hope I make it to my 30s. Every time I leave the house, my pops be so worried. Gotta stay with Curry, cause these niggas playing dirty. Shout out my Cuddy 3, hope he make it through his journey. My guy up in the Navy, they doing dudes shady. I just had a baby, I pray the Lord to save me, nigga.
San Joaquin, we on the CopWatch. Gotta stay outside cause the block's hot. Instigators is what they call us, but they all haters. I'ma record you now and not wait for later.
See, they got me out here hurt. They didn't put you on a shirt. Police ain't been doing work. They want you snitching to them first. Never been a bum. Gotta get it, go to work. And it's still free T. Wish who would've came first. They ain't wanna see us when they wanna see us in a hearse. Put my soul on the beat. Nigga, ain't no free verse. When you got a bag, detectives gon' start to lurk. And don't telephone me nothing if you ain't tell it to me first. GMG.
San Joaquin, we on the CopWatch. Gotta stay outside cause the block's hot. Instigators is what they call us, but they all haters. I'ma record you now and not wait for later.